AI workflow automation helps businesses handle repetitive digital work more efficiently by combining artificial intelligence with automation software. Unlike traditional automation, which depends on fixed rules and structured data, AI can understand information that is often unorganized or written in natural language. This includes customer emails, invoices, meeting notes, forms, and many other business documents that people create every day. The basic workflow is straightforward. First, new information enters the system. Next, an AI model analyzes the content, identifies important details, and understands the user's intent. Finally, connected software performs the appropriate action automatically. A common example is customer support. Imagine a customer sends an email explaining that a product arrived damaged. Instead of waiting for someone to read every message manually, AI recognizes the problem, extracts details such as the order number and customer information, drafts a suitable reply, and sends the request to the correct support team. This reduces response time while allowing staff to focus on more complex customer issues. The same approach is useful in many other departments. In finance, AI can read invoice data from PDF files using document recognition, compare the information with purchase records, and automatically forward the invoice for approval. In human resources, AI can support employee onboarding by preparing task checklists, sharing company documents, answering frequently asked questions, and guiding new employees through standard procedures. The purpose of AI workflow automation is not to replace people. Instead, it removes repetitive tasks that consume valuable time, allowing employees to concentrate on decision-making, problem-solving, and creative work. Most organizations also include approval steps and human review for important actions to maintain accuracy and accountability. A practical way to begin is by choosing one simple, repetitive, and low-risk task, automating part of the process, and gradually expanding automation as confidence and experience grow.